Well, it's been a few months since I've done anything with this cabin, since November. You can see it's pretty much, first floor is done. I'm gonna add 2 or 3 more logs on height, just so when the pitch comes down, if I put a porch on this, the roof's not gonna come down too low and I can get at least 6 or 8 feet out of it. So 3 weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, it's still snowing, cold. And here we are today, it's 93 degrees in Wisconsin, and building a pole barn with a black roof and gray sides sure seemed like a good idea when I was building it in November and December, but now that I'm in here, it is hot. So here's the old tractor, gas tractor. Wasn't too bad until gas prices went up, and like always, old tractor, something goes wrong. I think now it's a hydraulic line popped. You can see it's leaking there. I don't think it's leaking there. I think it's leaking at the quick connect. But I think I'm gonna sell this. Everybody's paying stupid money for everything. Well, except for employees. Employers still don't pay you jack. So we're gonna go out here. Got something new. I figured with inflation, might as well spend some money, because in the bank and the stock market's not doing nothing. So picked up a new tool for the cabin build. LS 345, 45 horsepower, hydrostatic drive, hydrostatic steering. Comes with a bucket. I already ordered the Titan attachment. So I haven't gotten much use out of it so far. I've only plowed the driveway a couple times. This works nice, so this is not as powerful as the 60 or 70 horse, but boy, it can still lift a lot. I think the lift is around 2,100 pounds. I got it from Big Iron in Stevens Point, Plover, Wisconsin. They're like 24,000. Tires are filled. The attachment was about $800 or $900. Like, definitely worth it. So now we can get this up to the hill and pull some logs out. I've been doing a lot of sawmilling lately, so I have not done a lot in the barn or on the cabin. That's gonna be the next project coming up. Now, if you're interested in a tractor, you can get ripped off and buy a crappy John Deere. He'll run great, but good luck fixing it or affording it. I think this tractor, 45 horse and a John Deere, you're going to spend easily over $30,000. That's probably maybe with a front end loader. What are you doing in here? Cross pieces are done. These are 19 feet. This will tie the cabin together where essentially the second floor would start, or the loft floor. Very wet, sappy, all sticky.